Hello, here we have the new greenBOX Master Block 2. The greenBOX Master uses two power supply groups. These two power supplies are connected in parallel, and these two are also connected in parallel. Each power supply is 480 watts, so together they provide 960 watts. With the 40% overload capacity, they can provide more than 1 kilowatt of power. If I disconnect the left power supply group, the greenBOX and controls continue running because the second group is still supplying power. And if I disconnect the second group, the system is still powered by the first one. So here we have redundant power supplies. Because there are two power sockets here, it is a good idea to connect each one to a separate electrical circuit. That way the system is protected if one circuit fails. We have three interface boards here. Each board has three Modbus channels for gates, VFDs, and other devices. So together, there are 9 Modbus communication channels. There are outputs for status lights, digital inputs, and 4 relays. The digital inputs, outputs, and relays are fully programmable. They can be controlled logically by anything known to the greenBOX. That includes pressure, air velocity, filter pressure, fan pressure, and other system values. All of these can be used when programming the digital inputs and outputs. Programming is very simple. Using list boxes and logic functions are included. There are 2 Ethernet ports going to the industrial computer. Use the right Ethernet port to connect to the local network. That port is used for remote access and firmware upgrades. There are 3 cooling fans here. The filters are very easy to replace. You remove them like this, clean them with running water, let them dry, and then put them back. There are 3 filters in total. You can adjust the speed of these fans through the greenBOX menu. Go to Monitoring, then Interface Boards, and press the pencil icon to adjust the temperature where the cooling fans will start. To mount this greenBOX on the wall, there is a special wall mounting bracket. You can separate it from the enclosure by removing these 4 screws. Release all 4 screws, then slide the wall mount out and install it on the wall. There is a built-in level here, which makes installation easy. It also shows where the center of the display will be. Mount the bracket on the wall, slide the greenBOX onto it, and then secure it again with these 4 screws. When connecting cables, please do not drill into the enclosure. This is not a standard electrical enclosure. As you can see, the industrial computer has an open design for proper cooling and long life. The interface boards are also open for cooling and long-term reliability. Any drilling into the enclosure will cancel the warranty, because we cannot guarantee long-term operation after drilling. Instead, we provide 4 pre-drilled holes for 3/4-inch conduit connectors. So connect the cables through these openings, or connect the cables here through the Ecogate cable entry. The computer has a single power button, but it will start automatically after power is applied. If you need to disconnect power, first press the power button once, the same way you would on a notebook computer. A short press will shut down the computer. Do not disconnect power from the greenBOX while the computer is running. Even though this computer uses a data center grade SSD with power loss protection, it is still not good practice to remove power before the computer is shut down. That's about it. We hope you like it.